Because they say they walked past it, they saw the candy store, but they didn't know that was more than the candy store.
Yeah.
Sushi.
I'm the only
Eat
one
raw
that likes
fish. Let's go over
Well,
here.
they have cooked food. They have a yakitori grill in there.
Oh, okay.
You know.
See, there's
So you
always
have your
something you could
choice.
eat.
Well, it's hard to find something that I wouldn't eat, but
Sushi's one of them.
yeah, sushi is definitely one of them.
I used to be that way, and then my youngest son said, Dad, you've never tried sushi. It is very good. He says, I'm taking you out. He said, now if you don't like it, I won't bother you again, but I'm guaranteed you're gonna like it. So we went out, and it was good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Our son loves sushi. Loves it.
I just made him a big mistake.
What's that?
I took about that much of wasabi,
Oh,
and oh my gosh.
There's people out there snorting that stuff on the internet.
Oh, a what?
Yeah, snorting
Really?
up their nose. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
You know, the smart people.
Well, what are we going to do today? I don't know. We don't have nothing to do. Let's snort some wasabi.
Hey,
Oh, good idea.
That's the thing, man. There's people out there that think that's the thing to do for today.
Well, look
and
at
eat
here.
Tide Pods.
Look at here.
Any
I
Tide
don't put it
Pods?
past them. Tide Pods.
Tide Pods,
Are
man.
you serious?
Oh, come
Oh,
on. You didn't hear
haven't
about
seen
that?
No.
You must not be on social media.
No, I'm not.
They're eating Tide Pods.
The government even went to Tide, and they were, well, at least we're going to go to Tide and say, listen, you have to stop making your laundry detergent look so appetizing. I'm not even kidding you. That's for real.
Yes, dead serious.
Appetizing. They were going, the government was part of it.
Well, you know what? I wouldn't put it past them because back then when they would eat that bath salt and chewing people's faces,
Oh,
my
yeah.
I'm like, are you serious? You want to be a cannibal?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
How you going to eat somebody's face off?
Right? And that's, you aren't exaggerating. That actually happened.
And then when you do go, I need a toothpick.